Hello, welcome to the Academic Sports Center. Today I'll be showing you the process of scheduling an appointment in EAB. In this video, we'll be making an appointment for the Writing Reading Center. So what you want to do is you want to go to the Appointments tab. Then you want to schedule an appointment. Here you want to click on Select, and you want to go to Classroom and Career Support. From here you want to scroll down and go to Writing Tutoring. The next step. For location, you want to click Writing and Reading Center. And right here, we're going to make an appointment with Sarah. Next step. Right here, we can see that Sarah is available on Friday, October the 2nd. And this is her availability for the morning. However, this time does not work for you. You can also check her afternoon. Right here, it says she's not available. So that means that either her sessions were taken up or she's simply not available. So right here, we're going to go with the 9 a.m. session. Next step. Right here we can see the details for the appointment. Right here it tells us that our appointment is going to be from 9 to 9:45 a.m. on Friday, October the 2nd. Right here we can see the Zoom link for our session, and right here is going to be the password to the session. Then you want to scroll down, and then it's going to tell you to confirm the session, and you just confirm the session, and that's going to be it.